Hey everyone, welcome back to BitFix, where we share everything about tech, education, and opportunities that you don't want to miss out on. Today we're diving into an exciting topic: scholarships in Russia for bachelor's, master's, PhD, and postdoctoral studies. If you're looking to study in Russia with your tuition fees covered and receive a monthly stipend, then this video is for you. So let's get started. So let's break down what this scholarship offers and who it's for. This scholarship covers two major expenses: tuition fees and a monthly stipend to help you manage your living costs. Whether you're aiming for a bachelor's, master's, PhD, or even postdoctoral studies, there's a spot for you. But each level has its own set of stages to qualify. Stage 1 is all about submitting your portfolio. This includes uploading your educational documents, well crafted motivation letter, and any achievements you want to showcase. And then there's the entrance test. Here's the cool part: this test gives you 3 attempts to try and get your best score. Each attempt has 45 questions and lasts 1. Or the higher your score, the better your chances of moving forward in the process. So it's crucial to make every attempt count. Now if you pass the stage 1, you'll enter stage 2, an online test specifically for each subject you've selected. This test is super important because it determines your final ranking. And heads up, your camera and microphone will be active during the test, so make sure you follow all the guidelines. This is where you really want to put in your best effort. Alright, let's go over the key dates you need to keep in mind for this scholarship process. The last date to submit your portfolio for stage 1 is November 20, 2024, so make sure you have all your documents ready by then. Just a few weeks later, on December 2, 2024, the results of stage 1 will be announced. If you make it through, the stage 2 tests will be held from December 5 to December 10, 2024, and this is your chance to shine. So prepare well. The grading of these stage 2 tests will happen from December 6, 2024 to January 9, 2025, with the winners of this stage being announced on January 10, 2025. And then the big date, January 17, 2025. This is when the final winners and prize recipients for the bachelor's and master's programs will be revealed, so don't forget to check the results on this date. Alright, for those of you aiming for PhD or say postdoctoral position, there's an extra stage you need to be aware of. Just like bachelor's and master's, you'll go through the first 2 stages: portfolio submission and the subject specific online test. But there's a third stage added to the process: an interview with professors and the head of the department. This interview is critical as it helps them assess you are fit for the research role. So if you make it this far, prepare well and be ready to discuss your research interests in detail. Now here are some additional tips to give you an edge during this process. First, prepare your portfolio well. Your motivation letter is a chance to show why you're passionate about studying in Russia, so make it count. Make sure to highlight your ambitions and why this opportunity aligns with your academic and career goals. Next, maximize your test scores. Use all 3 attempts wisely in the entrance test. The higher your score, the more it will help boost your ranking and increase your chances. During the online test, stay focused and make sure your camera and microphone are working perfectly. It's essential to find a quiet space to take the test to avoid any distractions that could impact your performance. Additionally, take some time to understand Russian culture. Even if the courses are conducted in English, knowing a bit about Russian culture and the educational system can be very beneficial, especially during interviews for PhD and postdoc positions. This understanding can help you connect better with the interviewers and show your commitment to integrating into the academic environment in Russia. To apply for this scholarship, head over to the official website, fill out the application form and follow the steps I mentioned earlier. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll try to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe to BitFix for more updates on scholarships, tech tips, and all things educational. I will also be uploading a detailed video on how to apply for this scholarship, so make sure to subscribe and follow to stay updated.